Acer Spin 3 key information. Laptop type 2-in-1, combines features of a laptop and tablet. For the screen size 14 inches. Actual size in inches measured diagonally. And for the processor, Intel Core i5. You can use with for the brand is the Acer, and for the color silver. For the OS guys, Windows 10 Home, and for laptop types 2-in-1. For the screen size 14 inches, and for the resolution FHD 1920 by 1080. And this is touchscreen, and you can use also the pen stylus. For the processor, Intel Core i5, and for the speed is 1 GHz. For the models is 1035G1 into 10th generation. For the number of CPUs is 4. And for the memory, for the RAM is 8 GB, and for the RAM type DDR4. For the storage size 512 GB, and for the storage type SSD. For the graphics card, Intel UHD graphics, and for the graphics card type UHD graphics, and for the graphics memory shared. And for the power and batteries, power adapter 65 watts. For the dimensions and weight, 2 by 36.3 by 25 centimeter. And for the input, for the keyboard, English and Arabic keyboard. For the weight, it's 1.9 kilogram, and for the connectivity, Wi-Fi type is 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI by 1, and for the USB by 3 by 3.1 by 1 USB type C, and for the LAN is RG-45, and for the camera is 720. Very affordable and accessible this kind of 2-in-1 laptop. And thank you guys for watching. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and just click the bell notifications to update upcoming videos, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next vlogs.